Oh, baby, yes. Yes! You have no idea how excited I am about this. I've been hyping for this game for, I think, over a year now. This has been in development. This is Time for Birds, and I believe you know exactly why I'm so hyped for this. I can't even wait any longer. Let's just get into this. This is so cute already. She's got a little flower. So naturally, we have to be playing it at 60 frames per second. 70, 80, 90. Seriously? 100 frames per second. Okay, 120. 144. Okay, for the 144K monitors, that's... already he's stepping into that territory. I like this guy. 180, 240. Okay. Okay, so it caps out at 240. I think I'll stick with modest 60 frames per second for now, just to make sure everything works okay. OMG birds. Alright. Male, name. I am Core, and I am a raven, not a crow. But I guess for the purposes of this, or jackdaw. Blue jay? Green jay? Cool. Neat. I think I'm just gonna go with crow for now, though. Sure, we can keep her... We'll keep her Leslie. Hotch. Hoch. Hoch. Cool. It was a dark and stormy night. Everything was quiet, and suddenly a cry called out. That's not how you're supposed to sleep. Okay. Yeah. That's normal. Oh, this is... There's a photograph on the top shelf of you and Leslie standing together on a sunny day. Leslie likes to sleep on this side of the bed. This is the bed you sleep in. Oh, okay. I figured as much. That's where I was a moment ago. It's a delightful book about the ocean. It's part of an encyclopedia about nature. This chair can get kind of uncomfortable after a while. Most do. Aw, just a cute little RPG. Oh, hello. Hey, you're awake? It's been storming pretty hard. If you're not too tired, do you want to go outside under the porch? Yeah. How could I resist, like, you know, spending any time with this little cutie? Yeah, I'll head out in a minute. And then she promptly sits down. Oh, okay. Was the rain keeping you up? It was something else. Something else? I'm sure it'll all be fine by tomorrow. Aww, she's so sweet. I live in a tree! Oh, dude, I live in a tree! Of course I live in a tree, I'm a bird. What the hell am I saying? This microwave is very good at heating up mashed potatoes. Dude, you get it. You get me. Noah, you are an amazing developer. I love mashed potatoes. The fridge keeps a lot of mashed potatoes in it. Of course it does. Where else would you keep your mashed potatoes? Oh, guys, found a bug. Beak goes right into the wood. Literally unplayable. Thanks for playing. Thanks for joining. Tune in next time. Goodbye. Quite a night, huh? I remember the first night it rained here. You just ran around in the rain until you were tired, and then we went inside to warm up together. If you want to go run around, you can. I'll stay here so my feathers don't get soaked. I'd love to join you, but I don't need a shower right now. And besides, I just preened not too long ago. My feathers look alright, don't they? Yes, your feathers look beautiful. Aw. Can I sit on the docks? Oh, oh God, oh! You can't swim. No, I'm a bird. I'm not meant to swim like that. So, there's no real instruction on where to go or what to do. It's just kind of go out and do things. And there's only 3 function keys, Z, X, and C. And right now they don't do anything. So there's no sprinting, there's no jumping. Now entering the forest. It's a forest. Really? Who knew? It's a patch of storm bushes. It doesn't look like you can get past them. Storm, trim your bush. Ah, dude, this is... You know, for a developer preview, this is actually really good. Like, so far, it's really cute, it's simple, yes, but... The music, the effects, the fact that I can go to 240 frames per second... Not that my monitor can handle that right now, but still, the fact that that is there is amazing. Nothing down here. Okay. Let's go up the mountainside. Oh. Ooh, the rain stopped. This is the end of the current dev build. A toucan has been spawned near your house. Talk to him for some bonus settings. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, nonetheless, this is just a good developer build, and I can wander around in the blue zone right now, where there are literally no textures, just open world right now. Still, though. Oh, that's the end. That's as far as I can go. Okie dokie. Nonetheless, this looks to be a really cute game, and I'm excited to be, you know, watching it develop through Patreon, and Noah, the designer of this game, he's doing this all on his own. Like, everything here is him. That's nothing short of amazing. And he's been working on this for, like I said, probably close to a year at this point. Hello, there's the toucan. I can do things. What things? Oh! Wow, you are a very magical toucan. Oh, okay, there we go. So there's weather settings. What happens if we move the water level? Oh God. Oh dear. Oh my. Shit. Take it normal, please. Back down to normal. Oh, thank you. What else? Normal. Floor's made of lava. Oh. Okay, let's put everything back to normal. Oh, it stopped raining. Are you done running around? Yeah, I'm done. Alright, I just want to stay outside a little longer. Can I ring this bell? I want to try to ring this bell. Can I ring the bell? I can... Oh, it's a save point. Literally the cutest save point in the world. I could just sit here and save for hours. Like, I think that's just what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. This is the very first release of Time for Birds. Go support Noah on Patreon. There's a link in the description below. Otherwise, you can catch us on Twitter, bird.life podcast. You can find myself on there as well, Core Raven on Twitter. Go to our website, bird.life, not bird.life.com, just bird.life. And that's everything. Thank you, and good night.